My beautiful boy has shed his skin. Hi, beautiful. You look gorgeous. How are you? Look how gorgeous and vibrant his colour is. He's amazing. I need to see the tip of that tail, but the eyes look really good. You look so good, buddy. Yes, you do. How are you, honey? Here's the shed. It's all pretty much intact. And as always, we check for the eye caps. Okay, that's down towards the end. That's the tip of the tail. There's the full body. Sometimes the head is separate. It's okay if there's one or two separate bits, but oh no, there's the tip of the tail. And I've got the whole tip this time. There it is. See his eyes? So that was the top of his head. Awesome. I've also got some nice poo here in the corner, so I'm going to clean that out. I'm going to give his whole thing completely empty. I'll make a video of that later on. Like instructions. How to deep clean a snake house. But look at him. Isn't he a stunner? You're a stunner, Lug. I love you. I take out that poo and everything that surrounds it. And there's another spot over the other side where he likes to poo as well. So I just took up all the stuff from around it. So there's less and less bedding in here now. I'll use a little shovel like this. I just see another patch here. It's just any of this stuff that gets wet. I just pick it up with the shovel, pop it into the poo bag, tie it off and bin it. And then that's the spot clean. We don't need to do anything else. You just move stuff around. So it's getting, there's less and less bedding over time as you keep spot cleaning every couple of days. Or every time you see something needs doing. After a big shed like this is a good time to, for me anyway, it's a good time to clear the whole thing, spray it all out, and let him have a nice explore around the sitting room while I'm doing that. Wash down and disinfect the likes of this. He has fresh water now, but I'm also going to light some sage and smudge the area. Just for any energies, bad energies that might be hanging around my boy. I want my boy good. I want you good, boy. No, right, honey? Hi. How are you? Oh no, please don't bite me. Oh, that's a hungry snake. You a hungry boy? Can I see the tip of your tail? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I gotta take a rat out of the freezer for him. It's okay, honey. It's only me. It's only me. You don't know what that means. You're a snake. I love you, Lug. I love you so much. I do. I love you so much. Mwah.